specialize in the production of intelligent aluminum production lines, extruded aluminum alloy equipment, and non-standard equipment, providing first-class comprehensive production equipment solutions for global high-end aluminum extrusion enterprises. Located in a standard production plant of more than 20,000 square meters and over 100 years of technology for project research and development. Embracing unity, we are equipped with various production equipment such as CNC machining centers, with great attention to every production process, starting from the selecting of raw materials, from design to manufacturing, every part performance testing, as we strive to achieve perfection in every detail. At handling table production line, automatic framing, aluminum bar automated saws, single bar and multi-bar heating furnace, energy conservation multi-billet heating furnace, aging furnace, automatic aging furnace, homogenizing furnace, online crunching, and other aluminum processing equipment. We currently produce more than 120 intelligent aluminum production lines annually, with multiple advantages including intelligent automation, energy conservation, high efficiency, safety, easy usage and maintenance. Intelligent program control covers the entire line, providing rapid human-computer interaction, refined processing operations, a 10% reduction of labor costs, and higher factory automation capacity. With years of rich experience in aluminum extrusion industry, we have yield great achievements in single-person straightening, unmanned straightening, and automated logistics of aluminum factory in a sincere, professional, and innovative manner. We will further exchange useful ideas with and learn from counterparts regarding